we got another post. There. Oh, here goes part of the bodega. Looks like it's going to be.
Bodega, that's part of the stairs.
This here is part of the bodega, no?
Oh, yeah, you can see that other. That's evidently where the bodega edge is.
Uh-huh. I don't want this doggy to do anything to my pant leg.
Why not? What problem would that be?
What you doing, doggy? Hello. Maybe if I'm nice to you, you'll be nice to me. I think that's how that works. Look how tall this is. That's for the bedroom. Mm. I guess we're gonna go up there first. All right. I'm up here on the second floor today. Let's see. We have a little more wall here. They put up these castillos. Oh, we're gonna get a roof over the one hall bath, the first floor hall bath. There. And they. Oh, you want to explain that technique they're doing to
What
this?
technique?
Why it looks that way with the plywood?
Because they got to pour concrete. I don't know what the technique is.
Well, it's different because this is so that it doesn't have a steps because the plumbing is gonna lie in there, right, or something.
Plumbing gets set right in that, and they pour the concrete through and mix it all around.
Will it also get beams like the others, or no?
No, that's why 3-bar going across.
It will be strong enough, huh? Without it,
Yeah.
huh? Interesting.
Oh yeah. You drive on it.
You could drive on it. Okay. Oh, good. For a feel of this bedroom these two bedrooms are going to be smaller than the other two bedrooms that are in the other 3 units. So it's just kind of getting a feel for that. And the guys, they've been eating or drinking coconut water. There's coconut fuzz on the ground. All right. So they went more up. They went more up towards the ceiling today, right? This looks completely new. And this is the laundry room, correct? Yeah, laundry, bathroom. That's why the plumbing stuff is there. But do we have the plumbing for it here?
No, it's going to come in from the other side.
Okay.
Just like it does down below.
Okay. And how's this bedroom feeling? Fine?
Just like going downstairs.
Just like the one downstairs? They went up here in the bedroom wall for the kitchen. This is going to be closed off, right? That's not a... Yeah.
It's the bathroom for the master. It's
Oh.
the master bedroom you're in.
Oh.
So no, it's not going to be closed off.
No, it's not going to be closed off because that's the master bathroom right there. Oh, I see. Cool. These are cute. Mm-hmm. And that'll be to the front door. Here. Here, this is going to be the living room, but from this Castillo over is the living room for this unit. And this unit will also have 2 sliding glass doors, like down below, right? Mm-hmm. So
Duplicated down below.
Duplicated down below, right. Here's this is our kitchen window, because that's the master bath, correct?
Right.
Yes. So we have a window over the map. And what can we see down there? I think I need to go pick up the trash. That's what I think. Okay. And there's also a little window here.
It's a big window right now.
Yeah, it's a big window right now. All right, so we go downstairs and see what they did down there. They went up on the retaining wall right here today. with the Castillo on the top. It smells like bacon. Someone's making bacon. Alright, let's take a walk through the bottom floor, first floor.
The dark floor?
We're in the dark now. We came in late today. Have they did any plumbing in there or electrical?
No.
No?
No, nothing's here. Nothing's been done over here.
Okay. But we are was it just covered up today or yesterday?
No. It's been a couple days now.
Okay.
I wonder why that block is missing.
Probably had a scaffolding there for some reason going this way, maybe at some point. Okay, I don't see any. Do we have any plumbing? No plumbing or electrical on this unit.
This is all plumbing, isn't it?
Yeah, just the plumbing, but they didn't do anything different.
No.
It doesn't look like today. And still no electrical on this side.
That's what I already said.
You said that already? I think I need to bring the trash bags back. Or a trash bag. Okay. There. Yeah, I don't think the electrical was all here yesterday. Is there anything different? Other than they topped off the one bathroom, right? The master bath they were working in here. That's about this one they were doing for that. To make boy, it is, look at the water in here. Oh my gosh, that's a lot of water. A lot of water. Let's see. And he was doing electrical in here today. This is all new. Huh?
It's strange.
How they're doing the plumbing there?
Well, there's no plumbing. I don't know why they had it back there, but why did they have to dig up so, I mean, how did they?
To lay down the electrical.
Yeah, but you're gonna pour concrete over this whole thing. It doesn't have to be that deep.
I don't know.
Just like here, it's not that deep.
I don't know. Mysteries. If you come in the morning, maybe you can find out. Because it's getting late. But I'm very curious about all this water here. Hopefully that floor gets poured once it's dried out really well. And there's water here. It has rained more than usual. Let's see, how's the stairs? How do you get into the stairs? But what's this?
This is the stairway.
This is the stairway? How's it go?
Come over here.
You enter in from here?
Yes. Yeah.
We go up the stairs like this?
Go up the stairs. And come. And go
Oh,
in.
I didn't know it was that kind of stairs.
That's how it is.
I didn't know that. And it has a wall here. Oh. Okay. Okay. And there you have it. What you thinking?
Nothing. Just observing.
A lot of wires. Bodegas, stair room. Yep, they got hoses on. And
Over there to verify.
I can see some plumbing is going in. but I'm not going to climb up here because I don't have Gary here to take my hand to pull me up, and the ladder isn't secured. But they are building the bodegas, and then this is the entrance to the staircase over there. All right. So there's a lot to unpack today because we've been gone for a couple of days and I wasn't able to be here to see what all they were working on. But it continues to go up the second floor, and they're working on these bodegas, which are storage units. So let's take a look at what they did here. We need 4 storage units. It looks like right here will be the size of 1. And it's actually much bigger than we were thinking. It will have electricity in case somebody has an electric car or wants to wash their car and use a vacuum. Oops. Let's try. I'm always oopsing in here. Probably have at least a dozen oopses. So obviously this 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm not really, oh, this is probably at the end of it right here. 1, 2, 3, and 4. And the wall has gone up there. Now they left early yesterday. They leave early on Saturdays. And this, remember, is to hold the water tank. It's going to be buried. I'm not really sure where, but it'll be buried somewhere here. And we've got this post. Remember, this post here is for the master bedroom. And there will be able to be 1 car parked underneath there, and then we will have 3, maybe 3 or 4 other parking spots here. Maybe 4. This tubing here is for the electrical. We've had quite a few questions about electric and power, and they build the walls up and then they chisel into the walls to place electrical. This here is the staircase that they're building, and from what I understand, I don't know what the full plan is, but we're going to be going in here. There'll be a platform and then go up, and this will go up to the 3rd. It's not the 3rd floor, but it's going to go up to the rooftop for a rooftop view. We'll have a patio or up there. That's the way to put it. Rooftop. Now you can see here, electrical is going. This is for the guys asking about electrical. We have electrical going through here. They're doing 1 unit at a time. So, and this is all built on rock, but I'm not really sure why it's not draining out, but I guess I'll find out. But you can see that they are plumbing and electrical here. I know Gary wasn't sure why they were digging it or scooping it out so much, but like here, we asked that the other day. And I don't remember if this was up there. I don't think this was up there the other day, on Thursday when we came. So this here is, they're gonna have rebar and cement, and I guess it's strong enough to drive a car on, so it will not have those beams. And that is so that we don't have a step up into the bathroom. We want it all to be 1 floor without any steps. All right, all the green and white is, I don't know if there's any blue, but I think it's blue and green pipes. That is plumbing, and the orange is electrical. So that's some electric there. We've got, this is the other bathroom. And remember, it's mirrored, so the same down here as it is upstairs. We have more electric plumbs. Cables will be pulled after the stucco has been put in. were applied. Our kitchen. We have a sink over the window. And I'm thinking the refrigerator's over here, and there's a stove. Yeah, stove right here. Refrigerator over there, I believe. Hey, get out of there. Nosy. And here are they're getting ready to install these. This will be for the, oh, don't be drinking that. This will be the pillars or beams that'll go up to hold the balconies, and I'm not really sure if it's part of the upper floor as well. We'll find out. I'm talking about the mirador on the rooftop. And that would be the Catholic Church, one of them, up there. I don't know where the bell is at, or located exactly. And it looks like Jesus has a broken hand. I don't know. Up there, I don't know. I don't know. Okay. So remember, this is a hose, and we've kind of seen that side. We haven't done many changes to that side yet. So we have 3 of these beams that should support beams for in here. This side. So this side may not have any electrical in it yet. We just still have the plumbing. I don't think much has gone on over here. End of week 10. Yeah, I don't see changes here. I think we had this the other day, maybe. I don't remember if they had it topped off or not. The 3rd bedroom or 3-bedroom unit is a lot different. Now this is the bigger of the 2-bedroom units, whereas the other side they're identical on the bottom and the 2nd floor. And once the stucco goes in and it's painted, it makes these rooms a lot lighter. So I don't really see any difference here. I can try to climb up this ladder for you to see. Oops. I have to be careful because I'm here by myself. I don't think that my dog can help me out very much. So there you see. That's new right there. Oops. Let me see if I can get this one is new. Goes up. And I'm not really sure if that's for the no, that wouldn't be for the hot water heaters. They are on the other side. I'm not really sure what that's for. But I know there's going to be an air conditioning over there. I don't think that's why it would be there. Anyway, I look forward to tomorrow when I can climb up inside and see what all they did. I did notice that there's this pipe there. Let's see if I can find it there. Where are we at? Right there. For plumbing in that bathroom. Remember, there's 2 bathrooms and a bathroom. There's 2 bedrooms with a bathroom in the middle. And look at that view of the lake out there. Very exciting. So actually where I'm at right now is the 3rd bedroom, the master bedroom with its bathroom. And then it's the kitchen, dining, and living room. And hopefully you can see me, but that'll be it for today. I hope you enjoyed it, and God bless you.